You know, my phone won't go to video. Okay.
I cannot unwrap this. You got it? Oh heck, how am I supposed to unwrap this thing? I got no nail.
Can you get that on the video?
Yeah, hold on.
I need a knife or something. I can't get
And
it.
just touch it over here there. Where's this video?
Oh my Lord.
Slide it over.
Oh, it slides.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kim, help me.
I can't help you.
Yes.
Well, get a knife, man.
Here.
I need a knife. Go get that knife.
Hold on. Let's look at it.
I can't get it.
Start from the corner where it's easy.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. That started it for you.
Lord, I need this kind of tape for my box to send it in the Philippines. Where did you get the tape like this? Bring me some. Ah. Oh my goodness. Lord of mercy.
Come on, use your muscle.
Yeah, I need exercise today. I have to break every one of my nails. Just to
No, remember?
She can't. There you go.
Oh my God. Almost there. A puppy. 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 He's a dead puppy. It's a dead puppy because he can't breathe. Oh my God. Oh, this puppy.
What is it, man?
It's been dead a long time ago. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's stinking. It's stinking. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Would you believe my kids give me a dead puppy? Oh Lord. Oh, this puppy.
Dead puppy.
Maybe you already spent over 2 minutes on one of this.
It's all the way from New York. What is this?
It's a puppy.
It's a midget puppy.
It says handle with care.
2 more boxes to go.
She gets that.
Oh God.
That one doesn't have duct tape on it.
I know, but oh, more stuff. What is it? For HC. What is this?
What does it look like, man?
I don't know. Camera. Oh, part of a computer.
No.
What is it?
It's a puppy. It's a puppy. It's a your camera, Mom.
Oh, my camera.
It's a video
Where's
camera.
part of it?
It's a video
Where's the
camera,
part
man.
of it?
That is
That's the
all
whole
of it.
thing.
It's light.
Yeah.
Look. Too
Okay.
much for the puppy.
Now you have to take me to the emergency. My fingers are hurting.